here we are, Outlaw Diesel, Miami. Custom diesel performance shop. Here with the master under the truck.
Good morning.
What's up, master?
Well, here we're putting a set of drive shaft loops. And the reason why we're putting this on is because if we go to the track and all this rotating mass of tires on the ground with the torque this motor's producing now, if that drive shaft comes off, we're gonna lose wiring, we'll probably lose the fuel tank, hit the exhaust pretty bad. So this will keep it in this realm right here. I've also had these things break also. So it's just a safety.
Break with the drive shaft in it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it actually broke. This
will turn into like a circle instead of an oval. But yeah, they work. They once you start picking up speed in the track, you have to, by rules of NHRA or DHRA, you have to have them. So,
alrighty then, let's do this. All right, let's do a review how we did this. So we welded it up there, put a piece there. And for the second piece, a little safety. So there you have it.